Today I'm going to discuss about the Birdman of India, the person who made bird watching popular in India. It is Dr. Salim Abdul Ali, who is not only a ornithologist. Ornithologist means a person who study about birds. He was ecologist also. Ecologist means a person who study about flora, fauna, nature. He was a teacher, writer as well as explorer also. He was being described as bright-eyed man, sparrow-like, all-knowing father. This man was born in 1896 and he was youngest of 10 children. He was quite influenced by his uncle, that is Amruddin Tyabji, who used this his uncle used to accompany members of royalty on hunting trips. When Dr. Salim was 10 years old, his uncle gave him a, an air gun. And what Dr. Salim did, he shot a sparrow with it. But there was something unique about the sparrow. When he hit the sparrow, it was quite unique. It was having a yellow throat. Now, Dr. Abdul was being advised by his uncle, so he went to Bombay Natural History Society to get information about that sparrow that was being hit by him with that air gun. So he went there. There he saw a secretary named W.S. Millett. So that man identified the sparrow, and what he did, he not only identified the sparrow but he showed other species of birds to Dr. Abdul Salim. Now this was the changing incidents or life turning incidents in the life of Dr. Abdul, and he decided that he is going to pursue his career in this, that he is going to do the study of birds. So what he used to do, he used to visit that Bombay Natural Society a lot, and along with that he started going to college. But he found the college life very difficult, so he joined his brother's occupation or work, or business, whatever you want to say, that is mining and timber. But Dr. Abdul was so much interested in watching birds that the business failed. So as he was not able to continue anything after BSc in zoology, it was quite tough for him to get a job as an ornithologist. So he decided that he is going to do something. So what he did a job to of a guide lecturer at the Prince of Wales Museum. Then he went to study ornithologist at Berlin University Zoological Museum. Now still having the degree, getting the degree from that Berlin University Zoological Museum, still he was not able to get the job. Now he was not earning any single penny. He was also married and having two children also. He was considered as mad by his family, because only passion he was having was to watch the birds or to study the birds. So what now happened, his wife, that is Tehma, she used to support him. She knew that whatever this man is doing is something right and he should pursue his career. So what they did, they decided to move to a cottage that was being owned by his wife's family, that was in South Bombay. Then he again went to Bombay Natural History Society and told them that he wanted to study about the birds, but he do not want anything in the return. He do not want any kind of salary. He do not want any kind of money for his expenses. Only thing he wanted is to study the birds. Now the best years of his life began, because in whatever, because he was having interest in study of birds. Now he is going to study the birds. He was never ever interested in order to he was never ever interested to study about the birds that have died. Generally people used to study about the birds that are dead, but he was not interested in that. He was interested to watch the live birds. Now what happened, he after that he became a passionate letter writer. He used to write letters to his friends. He also did a very good thing. What he did, he took help from Jawaharlal Nehru and saved closing of Bombay Natural History Society. Not only he saved that society, but he also saved the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary as well as Silent Valley National Park. He was so much influenced by the birds that he used to follow a strict routine like birds. He used to wake up at 5, he used to eat very little like birds. He neither smoked in his life, never drank any wine or any kind of thing. And he was quite impressed by them. So he was a very gentleman. What he used to do, he used to grant his scholarships to the students that were needy one. He was also honored with Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan. So he was not only having interest in the study of birds, he was quite fond of riding motorbikes also. So what he did once, he toured all the Europe on his bike and even attended an ornithological conference at Sweden on his bike. But this man enjoyed his life a lot. He was not having only interest in the birds, he was a passionate writer and he used to ride the bikes also, but he loved his work. He never kept anything for him. He used to donate everything. Any scholarship he is having, he used to donate to the needy ones. So at the age of 91, he passed away. He passed away on 1987. But due to this man, bird watching became popular in India. Hello everyone. Today I'm going